Hi friends, myself Dr. Sonu Panwar, and we are starting up with this infectious disease case study. Okay, and in this, without wasting time, I will tell you the question. So this is a question, guys, and you have to focus upon certain points here. The first one is a 53-year-old male, fine, a farmer. Then presents for evaluation of a growth on his arm. About a week ago, he noticed some mildly itchy red bumps on the arm. Fine. They started to blister a day or two later and then ruptured. During this time, he has a low grade fever. These blisters they rupture and that fellow have a low grade fever. Then the further questioning which is being done, he have a history of having these particular animals, that's cows, horses, goats, sheep, and chickens on his farm or in his farm. Okay, and on examination of his right upper arm, what you can observe up, this is the catch of the question: circular blackish scar. Fine, which is surrounded by what? Several vesicles, that is the blisters, and there is edema. Fine, and he has tender axillary lymphadenopathy, and the gram stain of the fluid drained from the vesicle and the biopsy from the eschar both shows what? Gram positive bacilli on the microscopy. So this is very easy, guys. There's a animal history in this. Farmer is there, low grade fever is present, and characteristically what is present? Cutaneous anthrax points. That is the circular blackish scar surrounded by what? Edema. And what is being found in the microscopy? Gram positive bacilli. So if at all somebody asks you which organism is the likely cause of this disease, the answer is Bacillus anthracis. Okay, and what is the primary virulence factor for this organism? So remember, I have told in my app also that one of the virulence factors is capsule, and another one is a toxin here, what is termed as anthrax toxin. So guys, can you tell me regarding the capsule stuff? It is made up of polypeptide. Remember, most of the capsules are what? Polysaccharide, but this one is what? Polypeptide made up of what? Polyglutamate. Fine. And for this particular capsule only, we does a reaction termed as what? McFadden's reaction. Okay. So this was also a question in one of the FMG exams in All India, that McFadden's reaction is done for what? It is done for Bacillus anthracis. Besides this anthrax toxin, you have a tripartite toxin here, that is the England Premier League, that is the edema factor, protective factor, and lethal factor. And these particular three factors, what they do, they increase the cyclic AMP. Fine. So these are the two important virulence factors. Organism we have already told, Bacillus anthracis. And what we have talked about this disease is what? Cutaneous anthrax. And this is typical of what? Malignant pustule, which is also termed as what? Hyde-Potter's disease, because it used to be common in those particular fellows who used to carry dead animals on their back. Fine. Besides this I have already told you. Then, what is the DD of this particular patient? Fine. What is the DD of this particular patient? So DD of this particular patient is that it can be furuncles caused by staph. This another disease termed as ecthyma gangrenosum. It also can present up like this, and sometimes the spider bites also. And besides this, I will tell you the most important thing here, against which the question have already come, that is the scrub typhus, which is being caused by Orantia susugamosi, spread by mite. It also presents with blackish scar. Remember this. But edema is not there. So most important point to remember is this, which surrounding edema, and because of this only the feature comes up termed as malignant pustule. But it is absent. There is blackish scar, but edema is absent in the scrub typhus. So that I will discuss as the second case of mine, scrub typhus, in the next one. But remember, this comes in DD of this particular one. Okay, and definite question can come. This already have come in fact. So other than farmer, what they can put up here? They can put up abattoir, okay, which handles the meat of the animals. Other than that, veterinarian also. And they can show up like this. They have asked it in this timeline, the FMG exam, Albert staining instead of cornivectin diphtheria. So what they can do, they can show you this presence of what? This particular thing. And what is that? That is a bamboo stick appearance. They can also show you this particular picture, which is also termed as what? Medusa head appearance, which can happens to be on the blood agar or on the normal agar also. You can able to observe a Medusa head appearance, which is also termed as what? Frosted glass appearance with the non-hemolytic colonies. Okay, so this you need to remember. This is inverted fir tree, and this inverted fir tree is also termed as inverted Christmas tree, and it is being done on which? Gelatin stab culture. Okay. And remember guys, for this particular one, there is a mnemonic termed as what? Miss Bamboo. Okay, so mnemonic is what? The mnemonic is Miss Bamboo, and by this Miss Bamboo you can remember a lot of things. This M is what? Medusa head appearance or McFadden's reaction. I is inverted fir tree. S is string of pearls, and B is what? This bamboo stick appearance. Fine. This one shows a biohazard sign. It's a bioterrorist weapon. Okay, and it's a category A bioterrorist weapon. And for this also we have a mnemonic in this YouTube channel only. That is play with small bat. That is the plague, viral hemorrhagic fever. Okay, smallpox. That is the botulism, anthrax, and tularemia. These all fellows are what? These all fellows are category A bioterrorist weapon. So this also you can remember. Now this is bamboo stick appearance. Everybody knows this properly. And what is inside this, guys? This is the spores. Remember, these are the spores, and these are non-bulging spores. And these particular spores only can be used as what? Bioterrorist weapon. Fine. Besides this, this is that Miss Bamboo S string of pearls, and that is seen on penicillin agar. This particular string of pearls, if you want a beautiful necklace, then you can go for this string of pearl reaction on penicillin agar. Fine. Besides this, I can tell you the treatment of it, and treatment of this revolves around this drug, that is ciprofloxacin, is found to be highly effective. Penicillin G also is being used in the treatment of Bacillus anthracis. So both are having a good efficacy regarding the Bacillus anthracis. Better to go with ciprofloxacin if at all both comes. Fine, because the trials in the various journals also, they show that ciprofloxacin having a superior efficacy over the penicillin G. Okay, guys. Besides this, I would like to tell you that this Bacillus anthracis causes 3 types of main reactions. One is cutaneous infection. Second one is Wool-Sorter's disease, which is also termed as pulmonary anthrax. And one is intestinal anthrax. And all of them they have been asked. And regarding this, we have also made up a vaccine, but that vaccine is not very highly effective. And besides this, we do then those Miss Bamboo stuff, which you already know now. Okay. So whatever the question will come will revolve around this. DD we have also discussed up. Okay. Important DD is Crep typhus, in which edema will be absent. And that particular one I will take up as a second one now. Fine. So these all things are there regarding this particular Bacillus anthracis, which you need to remember. And please put in the comment box, how does you like this case study and all. Do we should make like these more? Do comment upon, and do tell up some other features which you remember up to tell. Fine. Thank you so much.